Now let's start entering your courses. Please click on next here and on here, and you would like to add more courses. There's a drop down in here. Please select all of the courses that you have in here one by one after another. Let's start with the standard course. Should you not be able to find a specific course that you have, please just get in contact and we will be able to add it for you. Click on next and we will have to make some adjustments. In here, everything is fixed except for the level you offer it in. So let's say we offer it in all of the levels except for complete beginner. Then we will have to enter all of the age ranges in here and click next. And we will have to specify the seasons that course is offered in. Let's say it's offered all year round. 20 lessons, 45 minutes per lesson. Let's say it has 12 students, but an average of 10. And you can take it for 1 week and up to a whole year. So this is important that you enter the right thing in the drop down here, because let me explain. You need to say which pricing model that specific course follows. This one per week per lesson means your course has one price for every single week it is offered. So let's say your course is 400 euros in the first week, 380 in the second week, 350 in the third week, etc. Then you would select this price model. However, if you have a time frame, let's say your course is 400 euros in week 1 to 7. And then from week 8 to 11, it goes down to 380 euros per week, etc. You choose this. Some schools offer a pricing model per month, then you would select this. Let's say we go for the time frame and click next. And you can see the different seasons your course is offered in here. You will get an overview over everything that you have entered on here. And we would like to create more courses. Please add here all of the courses that you have, and at the very end you say, no, I have finished, I do not want to enter any more courses.